Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make affiliate sales without a website. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, we're talking about how to make affiliate sales without a website fast in 2 steps. Now, if you want to go slow, these methods work, but it's just going to take you longer. Free advertising is going to be YouTube, Facebook groups. You go in, find groups in your niche, provide value, answer questions, not just spam your link. Instagram, forums, and free classified. Those are ways you can make sales, but this, again, is just going to be slower. I like to do things fast and make sales and profits as fast as possible. The paid ways that I'm going to mention are solo ads and paid classified ads like Craigslist. Both of these work very well. I'm going to talk about solo ads. First thing you want to do, step 1, is to pick a high converting offer and create a lead capture page. You don't want to just send them to your sales page because you want to be collecting those emails, so that you can have an email follow-up series and market to them in the future. I'm going to say that if this will work with Clickbank offers. I'm not going to talk about a Clickbank offer, it's something else, but I'm going to say that you want to make sure that your Clickbank offer is not garbage, because once they get in there and they see like it's just an ebook or something that really has no value, they're going to refund, and then you're going to be out money if you pay money to drive traffic. So there's like just a handful of products that I believe on Clickbank that I've reviewed, I think are decent and that I would pay money for. So if you want to know what those are, you can message me below this video. I'll let you know, because I do a lot of product reviews about Clickbank and a lot of them are not good, and I would not spend my money on them, and I would not promote them because, again, people are going to refund, and who wants to be on the receiving end? You know, I don't want to give somebody something that isn't of value. So anyway, that's what I would recommend. And then the second thing you want to do is to buy a solo ad and send your vendor your email swipe if they allow that. I would recommend, if they do, to use an email swipe and your lead capture page link. So the affiliate offer that I chose to promote with this method of solo ads is copy and paste ads. So I bought a $35 solo ad, and in 2 days I got 9 unpaid signups and 2 sales, and that's a profit of $161 if you figure in PayPal fees. So I would say that was a very successful solo ad. And so where do you go to get your solo ad? A place you can go is called Udemy. I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video. And what you do is you go here and you click on Find Sellers. You can get them for as low as 35 cents a click, like this one right here. And you want to make sure that you look at the testimonials and people are happy with what they bought, and you want to see if people have gotten sales. You want at least 3 people to have sales. This one doesn't say anything there. No sales, so this one I wouldn't recommend. I did 2 videos on solo ad secrets. I'm going to leave those 2 videos in the description below this video so you can look at that. But one of the main things you want to do, besides making sure they got sales, is that you want to ask that person, did they promote your offer to their list within the last 3 weeks? Because you don't want their list to become saturated with the same offer. So that's really important, and you can look at those trainings again. So the solo ad provider is important, but also the offer that you're promoting needs to be high converting. Now this one here, copy and paste ads, I just wanted to test it to see would it convert. It did with this solo ad vendor. Had really good luck with that. The cost for this particular affiliate program is $149 one time, but then your commission is $100, 100% commission, $100 over and over and over again. You don't pay anything else unless you do paid advertising. But again, I would pay $35 to make $161 all day long. And I'm going to be scaling up to buying 200 clicks for $70, and even making one sale is going to be, I'm going to be in profit. So with this particular offer, they teach you how to post ads on free and paid advertising sites. And so this can work for any business. So they teach you how to go out and do that, what you post. They have the sample ads. This is just an example. I went out and I posted this free ad yesterday. I have my banner here, and then my ad is earn up to $100 per hour, working part-time or full-time, must have internet access, PayPal account to receive commissions, know how to copy and paste, call our 24-hour information hotline. This is my phone number that they show you how to set up in here. It's not your voice, but it's someone else's voice, and then they call that number, they get a little bit of information as far as what it's about, and then they direct that person to leave their name and email, and then there's emails in here that you send to that prospect. Okay. And then another thing you can do with the paid classifieds is go to Fiverr, and I paid $5 for someone to post ads on 60 different sites. So let me just show you. They did it in like less than a day. And I haven't gotten anything from this yet, but it's only been up for a day. But the way that I'll know is I'll get an email and someone has left a voice message on that. You can read it in the email or listen to it in your email. So that's what this looks like. But I'm also going to be doing paid advertising with Craigslist, because you get a lot better exposure when you pay a little bit. Like let's say you paid even $10-15 for one classified ad that runs for 30 days. I know somebody in our Facebook group that's promoting this affiliate product said that they had an ad up and paid around that, and they already made 2 sales, so they already had $200. And I'm going to be going through this training, mastering it, getting some results with this particular affiliate offer. So stay tuned for some of the videos that I'll be doing. But if you want to get this training, I would highly recommend it. It shows you how to not to get ghosted, how not to get your account flagged, and how to make 1 to 2 sales a day. That's what Jeff is able to do. So I'm going to leave a link to this training in the description below this video. So those are the things that I would recommend, would be paid classifieds, and then again solo ads. And I just wanted to show you that this does convert, this affiliate offer right here. If you do want to go ahead and use this affiliate offer to market and sign up with me, the bonus that I'm giving is a free vacation. So all you have to do after you sign up is message me on Facebook. These are some of the places that, this is just for the hotel, but it's a free 5-night Mexico beachfront vacation or 3-night US vacation. It's Cancun, you can see what all these are, Orlando, Acapulco, Bali, Daytona Beach. So there's lots of great places you could go for a getaway for the weekend. So that's the bonus that I'm offering. And again, the copy and paste ads is what I'm finding is converting very well right now, and I'm obviously going to be doing what they train in the course is getting your ads out there, free and paid places as well. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment in below this video, and also you can message me on Facebook if you like. I'm going to leave my information in the description below this video. And if you want to get started with copy and paste ads and be able to make affiliate sales without a website, just using solo ads, that'll be the first link in the description below this video if you want to get started with copy and paste ads. And that's basically it. That's how you're going to make sales, find an offer that converts, buy some traffic, and there you go. It can happen very quickly for you. If you found value in this video, how to make affiliate sales without a website, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. And with that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.